Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy A22 5G using Odin app without data loss. Okay, so first we need to find out what is our current version of the software. To do it, open up the settings, scroll down, click on About Phone and click on Software Information. In here we can check it, that is our current version. You can also see it right in here. And we need to remember about one important thing. Samsung only allows to update into the same version that we currently have or into newer versions simply, or for example into the latest version, but we cannot download and install an older version than the current one that we have. It is simply impossible, so only we can download and install newer version than our current. When it comes to me, that's actually the latest version, so I'll show you how to update and, for example, reinstall it once again. So let's go. Now we can power off our device. Hold the power button. And select power off. Also, let me show you how to check the current version using the recovery mode. It's also available, so let me show you. To launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time. When we see the Samsung logo, release the finger from power button, but keep holding volume up. So start by holding two buttons. And now release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up. The recovery mode should launch. Okay, it did. And in here we can also check our current version. Okay, now let's power off our phone. Using volume keys, select power off. It's on the bottom. And now confirm by clicking power button. Okay, now on our computer we need to download a few things. First visit our page, HardReset.Info. Get into download, and first we need to download the Odin app, so type Odin, enter, download this version 3.14.4, that's the latest version, everything will work. And we also need to download Samsung drivers, select this and click on download. In my case I won't do it because I have already downloaded everything. Also go into new tab, type A226B firmware, that's the version, and in my case I'm going to use that page because it works pretty okay in my country. Now scroll down, type the country, in my case it's Poland. We have few versions right in here available. Some of them are sometimes phones are carrier branded. And in here we can see mobile operators in Poland. So we have Orange, Plus, Play, T-Mobile and XEO. That's the non-branded version. That's also the version that I have, so I need to select it. Okay, now scroll down. In here we can see all the versions. We need to download the one on the top. So click it. Now scroll down and click on download using one of those two links. For example, I'll select this one, click on it, and click on download. I won't download it because I have did it before. I have every file that we need. So now go into downloads folder, and when you have Samsung USB driver, Odin app and our firmware, we need to extract those three files. So right click on it. I'm about to use the WinRAR, so select WinRAR, then click on extract to, or if you don't have a WinRAR you can click on extract all and then click on extract. So after you extract those three files, first open Samsung USB drivers and install them. It is really important. And after the installation process, I highly recommend restarting your computer so everything will work just like it should. Everything will be properly installed. So after the installation of these Samsung drivers, restart your computer if you want, just to make sure that everything goes fine. Okay. Now we need to launch the Odin app. Select this file, click on OK. Now click on BL, go into downloads, select the folder with the firmware that we have just installed. That's this file. So double click. We have picked the BL button, so select BL file, BL, click on open, wait until it loads. Now go with the AP, select the AP file, click on open. When it comes to the AP, we need to wait a little bit longer because this is a really big file. So wait a little bit. Okay, now CP and CP file, click on open. And now the most important part, because we cannot make a mistake right in here, click on CSC. And we need to select home CSC, because if you would pick normal CSC, your data will be deleted. We don't want it, so we need to select home CSC. So select it, click on open. Now we need to turn on our phone in download mode. To do it, we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding it, we need to insert our USB-C cable that is plugged into our computer. So hold both volume keys, insert cable, keep holding volume keys. Okay, now click on volume up. Now we are in the download mode, and if you can see those icons, those numbers right in here, it means that our Odin app recognized our phone, everything is connected properly. Our computer sees our phone. And now click on start. The process will now begin, so we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, the process has finished. When you see this green button that it says pass, it means that everything went successfully. Also, now our phone has turned on. We can unplug the cable. And now let's just simply wait until phone turns on. So I'll show you that everything went successfully. Okay, the phone has just turned on. We are ready to use it. Everything works just like it should. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.